Oh my god, I feel so excited and I'm so nervous at the same time because it's gonna cost a lot of money. So okay, alright, so let me tell you real quick. Real quick. These two girls right here came all the way from Florida, from Miami to be exact.
Yeah.
And they're both really great interior designers. Joyce right here, it's doing my personal home. And I found out she was a great designer because she's doing an amazing job on my home. So I brought her to the office. And Giselle specializes in commercial interior designing. So we're doing a great collab. Obviously with my amazing mastermind. No. But we're doing a collab to elevate the experience of OC Pools Gifts. So here's the goal. The goal is to build our headquarters, our brand new showroom, and I want to create a Disney effect, a Disney World effect when you come into the OC Pools Gifts doors. You know, I want to make sure that when our customers, our beautiful customers come in, they have the best experience from the office to the smell to the uniforms. And here's a funny story. Joyce comes from the world of fashion, so she saw our uniforms, and
I already want to make it.
and she wants to change it already.
I already want to make a few changes so that we can elevate it for the client. I think you need like everything from what he says, the aroma, the uniform, so that the client can really take the whole experience and like from the beginning to the end. So I think we got to make a change of that too.
So here's the thing. In conclusion, OC Pools Gifts, it's going to create the best experience to buy in a pool. You know, so from the sale to the construction to the delivery to your overall, you know, concept and experience when you're enjoying your pool, that's what we're trying to elevate. We're trying to do something that's never been done before, and here's the team that's going to create it.
Let's do it.
Yeah, so today is all about the background. Basically, we're gonna study the team, their needs, what they want, and then we're gonna translate that into a concept. And then from the concept comes the reality, which is, you know, the fun parts, materials, 3D visions, and all that.
So she has a vision board already that I haven't seen, and I can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
And even if I see it, I'm not going to show you yet. So
Surprise.
Just stand by.
You gotta wait.
Yep. The concept is always kind of like the discovering phase. So, you know, we take it more to see kind of like the vibe and kind of the emotions that a client will bring, in this case, my kid, and kind of see, oh my God, I love that. Oh, we don't like that. So especially what he doesn't like, it's what we need from here. You know, if he loves everything, then, you know, that's amazing because we go not easier, we go straight to the next step.
Smoother.
But, you know, knowing the things that he doesn't want is
Help
kind of
us
like
get
the key.
closer.
So that way we make sure that everything feels, you know, better and connects with the company. Because overall, it's all about that, you know, connection with the company. So let's see, I don't know.
We're excited. It's a completely different vision than what he has been doing for the past 4 or 5 years in his offices.
Yeah.
So this is an exciting process also, and we're gonna try to grab as much information today so that we can really bring that to reality, and completely different than what we bring to the client. So, I mean, we're excited to show you, of course.
Tell us how you feel. No, I didn't say.
Oh my god, I feel so excited and I'm so nervous at the same time because it's going to cost a lot of money. So I'm super nervous and they need to sell a lot of pools. Jimmy, sell a lot of pools, please.
Yeah. Got it.
I love the concept that they put together.
Okay.
I already given them an idea of what I wanted. But yeah, it's gonna be cool. I'm not kidding. I am a little nervous because it's a big project for us. It's a big step, but you know, I'm not afraid of taking big steps. Let's go. You know, it is what it is. Here we go, broke or we go home. You know? So we're finally at our new office. We're here with the two Miami designers that are criticizing my building. I don't like the building outside, so we're gonna have to fix everything from the outside of the building just to create that experience. I hadn't even thought about this, but they want to replace these doors and these windows. It's true, it's the entrance. It looks ugly. So we just gotta figure out how to make it, because right now, yeah, those are ugly. And these outlets, this is the stuff that I want right here. You know, I want to be able to
Why
plug.
are we even doing this?
I'm gonna.
Why are we? Espérate, why are we even
It's
doing
so-
this?
it's so
Because you want to keep
exciting.
it and then we bring furniture and that's it.
I'm like, yeah, he's like, oh, boom, and I bust my head with the window.
All right, look. You're gonna do it for everyone?
I was
Yeah,
saying, I've been thinking that I want the homeless look.
yeah.
You know, we're gonna put trash everywhere. I want trash here, trash there, trash there, trash everywhere.
It's you're gonna see
And then
before.
instead of having
It's gonna be before.
stolen from me. Instead of having furniture where everybody's gonna work on the floor.
So this is the first time in the location. So what we want to do is make sure that the measurements are correct. So we want to do, of course, the windows, outside, inside. We're going to literally take everything away. So what we're trying to measure is really the outside, so that it matches the floor plan. So the windows, and then from there we just, I don't sé qué más decir. Like we just finish it.
And basically reviewing and seeing the site condition of the new headquarters. And what we did today is basically taking all the site measurements, checking all the existing condition, which is priority number one, and all the windows that we cannot move. And yeah, just seeing everything and taking dimensions so that way we can plan for the new office. So yeah.
It's gonna look amazing, guys.
Perfect.
All right, we just finished phase one of designing our new office. The girls just took all the measurements. Now they're gonna go to programming, which programming pretty much means that they're gonna put, they're gonna check the needs of every office. So they're gonna, and then they start doing the layout of the whole floor plan. But yeah, that's where the phase that we're in right now. Excited, let's go.